Describing my family and presentation personal by Juliana Guerrero. Hi, I am Juliana Guerrero. I am 19 years old. I am from Jamundí, Colombia. I live with my mother and my brother and my stepfather in Palmira. I am a student of psychology at the National Open and Distance University. My favorite sport is soccer. My hobby is watching fiction series and anime. My favorite TV show is Stranger Things. Now I want to introduce you to my family. My family is composed for two parts. On the hand of my mother, my brother, and my stepfather. And on the other, my father, my stepmother, and my sister. This is my mother, Juliana Guerrero Rodriguez. She is 40 years old. She is an artisan. She is from Nariño. My mother is very good. She is short. Her eyes are dark brown. Also wears glasses. And her hair is short and dyed blue. This is my brother, Samuel Meneses Guerrero. He is 6 years old. He is a student. He is from Cali. My brother is very good at drawing. He is short. His eyes are dark brown, also wears glasses, and her hair is very short. This is my stepfather, is Delmer Meneses Obando. He is 35 years old. He is a carpenter. He is from Nariño. Delmer is very creative. He is tall and young. His eyes are dark brown, and his hair is very short. This is my father, is Osvaldo Aprais Burbano. He is 40 years old. He is a gardener. He is from Nariño. My father is very hardworking. He is short. His eyes are dark brown. Also, his hair is short and has a beard. This is my sister, is Alejandra Aprais Urrea. She is 8 years old. She is a student. She is from Cali. My sister is very spoiled. She is tall. His eyes are dark brown, also wears glasses, and his hair is very long and light brown. This is my stepmother, is Pilar Urrea. She is 32 years old. She is a housewife. She is from Cali. Pilar is robust. She is tall. Her eyes are brown, also wears glasses, and her eye is very long. Thanks for your attention.